Is fear keeping you from earning online? What if the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is fear? Do you feel like you're stuck in a cycle where you want to change but don't know where to start? Are you holding yourself back because it feels too late or too complicated? Let me show you why fear is the real obstacle and how you can overcome it. Your fear is absolutely lying to you because it's feelings within, however, not reality. What if I told you that fear isn't a sign to stop, but a signal that you're ready for something new in your life? Yet, most people let it paralyze them, missing out on life-changing opportunities. Think about this. By 2030, 85% of jobs that exist today will be automated or replaced by technology. Here's the twist. This isn't bad news. It's your chance to actually get ahead of the curve and build something everlasting. Have you ever felt stuck because you didn't know where to start? Comment yes below. When I started, I was absolutely terrified. I'm not tech savvy, and I certainly was not when I started. I didn't know where to begin, and quite frankly, I was scared of failing. But what scared me more was staying exactly where I am, and that was frightening. Watching my family grow up without the means to visit them, worrying about how to cover unexpected expenses, and realizing that the traditional work model wasn't sustainable for me. I knew I had to try something new, not just for myself, for my family and my peace of mind. I did not want watching my grandchildren grow up from a distance. Does this sound familiar to you? Did you know that 70% of people who delay exploring new income streams regret it within a year? Why? Because they see others thrive while they're still stuck. What would you do differently if you weren't afraid of failing? Let me know. The benefits: you work from anywhere, whether it's your living room, the beach, the restaurant, whatever, the system works for you. No age limits, no discrimination. From college grads to retirees, the system is designed for everyone. Having master resale rights, earn 100% profit without inventory overhead or a middleman. Supplement your income, build financial freedom without quitting your current job. Why this works? Automation. This system works 24/7 while you're sleeping. Simplicity. Step-by-step videos make it easy to set up, even for beginners like I was. Scalability. Start small and grow as you gain confidence. It's simpler than you think. It may sound intimidating, but it really is not. The step-by-step system. Explore the blueprint. It's free. Learn how this system works. And as I said, free to check out. Follow the training. Each video guides you step by step, so you're never lost. Set it and forget it. Once automated, it runs while you focus on what matters, living your life, quality time. What's the first thing you do with an extra $300 a day? Share and mention it below. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity. What if you started today and in 6 months you were earning $300, $600, or even $900 daily? That's 6 figures on all accounts. Imagine the freedom to never check your bank balance before making a decision. Let me ask you, are you okay with letting your fear dictate your life? Or are you ready to take control of your future? It belongs to you. Visit my website now to explore how this system works. It's free to check out, and you'll never know what's possible unless you try. Take that first step today. Send me an email if you have any questions. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thank you.